I've been very free with the sound selection and the boundaries of genres with all these new tracks, and a little less worried about the function of sound. So in this super live sounding track where most stuff is recorded, the guitar and everything, there's this hard style kick that unexpectedly works, I suppose. That kick drum's a dark room kick drum with outside sounds, outside guitars. And now in the mix, you can't hear that the ness of that kick drum. I'll show you a little further on.